Hi, me again. Here today to talk about a little bit of maintenance that you can do on the CINEGEARS follow focus here. Basically, some people have been talking about a lack of friction inside the focus knob here. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart, fix it, and put it back together. First, what you need to do is you need to take the marking disc off. And then you need an Allen key. This one is 5 64ths. And you stick it in this hole here. And there's a little screw in there. You take the Allen key and you turn it to the left ever so slightly, just so that it just clicks. And then once that happens, you're able to pull it off like so. Now what you should see is this felt ring. This is what provides the friction, and there's usually some form of grease as a lubricant, which provides the smooth form factor that you're used to. Anyways, if you're having troubles with your friction, what you can do is you can buy a thicker piece of felt that just comes right off. So you can use this as a mold. Or you can find a very thin piece of rubber. You can get it at a Lowe's or a Rona or a Home Depot. And you just want to put it here, place it inside of this little housing here. And then you stick it back on. And you take the Allen key. Again, that's 5 64ths inch. And you put it back in the screw and you turn to the right ever so slightly, and then it won't come off. Now, that's just one piece that you can do. The other thing you might want to do is, sometimes this outer ring gets bent. I don't know if you drop it or overuse. This is also fairly simple to do, fairly simple to take off. You take this 60mm torque wrench. Again, you can buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. And you take off these 3 screws, and it'll just pull right off. And happy accident with these is when the screws come off, usually they'll stick to these magnets, so you won't lose them. Came quite handy for me. And yeah, and then once you're done with that, you just put it back together. You can also, if you want, you can buy a little extra grease to stick in here. Lubricate it all up. And then tighten it back up. Like so. Put the marking disc back on, and we're back in business.